Welcome. This video will show students how to utilize research guides. A research guide or LibGuide is a pathway to information that will aid students in their academic research. These guides host different types of resources all in one place. To begin using these guides, go to regent.edu/regent-library/ and then scroll down to research guides. Here, the student can either enter in a keyword or select full list of research guides. For this video, we'll go ahead and select full list of research guides. And here you can browse by department, subject, and type, and even by a librarian. And then you can scroll down and see if any of these subjects pertain to the topic you're researching. Here we'll go ahead and click Divinity and then select Divinity and Religion Research. And as you can see here, this LibGuide hosts databases, websites, how-to tutorials, how to use these resources, bibliographies, and information for online students, and even citation help. Additionally, students can use the search bar to run searches on keywords. For this video, we'll go ahead and use the word citation. And as you can see, LibGuides came up on APA Citation Management, Chicago Citation Management, MLA, and Turabian, and many more citation resources that are all located in LibGuides. And as always, if you have further questions, you can ask a librarian and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.